Hello guys, so let's make some classic House of Manji's biscuits. So what you'll need is 125 grams of whole wheat flour, 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 80 grams of sugar, 50 grams of powdered milk, 125 grams of margarine, soft, but it should not be melted, 1 teaspoon of baking powder or 2 grams of baking powder, pinch of salt, 1 egg, milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The milk you'll need maybe 6 to 10 tablespoons. So we start by mixing our dry ingredients and add your margarine, and then combine the margarine. So you combine it with the flour. So I was adding sugar at this point because I had forgotten to add it with my dry ingredients. So this is what the mixture looks like at this point. It looks like breadcrumbs, and so it's ready to add. I can add now my egg. So I added 3 tablespoons of milk at this point and continued to mix. And then I added more milk. I added 3 more tablespoons. So in total I used 6 tablespoons of milk. So I started on kneading the dough so that it can be firm. The dough was ready, and I put it in another bowl so that it can rest. I let it rest for around 25 minutes. So for the cutter, I use the head of a water bottle, but you can use a cutter of your choice. That is what I've used. I've had this recipe before, and that's what I used last time. I still haven't gotten around getting a cutter, but for now, this is what I'll be using. For making the holes, I use a skewer. So that's how it looked like. So the biscuits are ready, and what I did is transfer them to a rack so that they can cool down, and they can also, this gives them time for them to be crispy. The biscuits turned out really nice and crunchy. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share and leave a comment. Bye.